the information about the accounts receivable turnover ratio. Accounts receivable turnover ratio is indicating that say how many times there is a rotation of the debtors in a year. Rotation of the debtors in a year is for 4 times. So if at all the rotation is for 4 times, means the collection period is 3 months. How 3 months is calculated? 12 months divided by 4 times. That is the way the turnover ratio will be used for calculation of the collection period. Friends, the commercial paper is basically a short-term instrument issued by the company for the purpose of meeting with its working capital requirement. That is what's the simple definition that we have. The time duration of that is say less than a year, ranging from 91 to 270 days or 360 days. That is the time period for which the commercial paper is issued. Usually, it is issued at discount and the redemption is at face value. The way we have the deep discount bond, the way we have the zero coupon bond, like that, so we have the commercial paper.